What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Other TV. As I always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we upload new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so Patapaa got married on the 2nd of January 2021 or 2021. And you know how the two of them met, that's Patapaa and Liha, is still a mystery to a lot of people. Last year we saw Liha coming down to Ghana, meeting Patapaa's parents and all that. But then how they met, nobody knows. Today, today Patapaa and his wife Liha were interviewed on the Kwanso Jojo show, which was hosted by Abeku Santana on OK FM, and she disclosed how they met. According to Liha, Patapaa, who was actually, when he had the one corner hit, he actually flew to Belgium, to play a show and all that. And Liha was there because she was, according to her, she was a fan of Patapaa because Patapaa's one corner song is her favorite song. Therefore, she went there to actually, watch Patapaa perform. And after Patapaa's performance, she met Patapaa backstage, took a picture of Patapaa, and that was when the whole thing started. Okay, guys, let me not bore you with a lot of words. Listen to the interview, and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Before about Liha, na nkrofo wakansam last time I mean you twetwe nkomo ese nkrofo bi mpo ye there was say watching. Liha.
Yes.
The last time I had an interview with your husband, he made an allegation that some people were trying to, destroy him to you, and these are Ghanaians. But against all this, you have, come out to marry him.
Yeah.
What were some of the complaints that Ghanaians were telling you about him?
You cannot satisfy everyone, right? So at the end of the day, I have to be happy. I have to be in love. But people were saying, like, not only about him, about me too. I'm not having the perfect shape. Patapaa is not handsome. Or I'm just with him because of the money. And he's just using me. I shouldn't go for him. He's
that what he told you?
Yes. He's an artist. Everywhere he go, he will be with different girls.
Oh.
And yes.
Where did they get your number from?
I really don't know. I think is maybe one person who was spreading it, but I don't know who.
Did you receive a call, or it was a direct message into your mail, or?
It was different people.
Different people.
Yes.
They said you are not you
One
don't have the
time
shape.
even
They said you don't have a shape.
No. This was on social media.
Okay.
That the time that I think it was with the blue African dress that we went to take a picture in the studio. People was like, oh, her stomach, she looked pregnant, she looked fat, she's so ugly. Why would he go for a white girl? Look at Patapaa. I think they are using the same wig, and I don't know. They were really like insulting him and me, and many people were against it. And also for my friends, before they even met him, like not close friends, but people that I know. Oh, I have heard that you met Patapaa. People that I have not talked for a very long time started to call me. Are you with Patapaa? Liha, you have to be careful. Ghanaians are like this, Ghanaians are like that. And he's a musician.
Were they Ghanaians or?
Yes.
They were Ghanaians?
Yes.
Who live in Europe or in Ghana? Oh,
yes.
Okay, so these were Ghanaians in Europe.
Yes. Also Ghanaians, but also from other African countries. But this, what I'm telling you right now, is from a Ghanaian. So he said, me too, I'm a Ghanaian. I know how the life in Ghana is. If he goes back to Ghana, you will see what he will do. So when you go back to Ghana, you will find out this, you will find out that. They cannot stay with one woman, and I'm sure he does not really love you. And what do you love about him? He's short, he's this, he's that. Like a lot of bad stuff.
Oh.
And I have to say that I have lost a lot of friends because of this relationship. Yeah, because I was not
European friends or African friends.
I don't have European friends.
Oh, so you've lost African friends
mostly, yes,
because of Patapaa.
I lost them. Like I selected them for myself because I couldn't hear this negativity.
It's a reality now.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the journey, how you met him, and what it took to get him to put the ring on your finger?
It all started when he had his show in Belgium. I have friends in Belgium and also in Germany who are organizing shows, and mostly with musicians. And there's a friend in Belgium who invited Patapaa to come and perform. So, and I really like the One Corner song. Maybe you have seen it also on my wedding day, how I was there. It's one of my favorite songs. So I said, no, if Patapaa is coming to Belgium, I really have to see him. I went for the show. And after the show, I went backstage to take a picture with him. But we didn't even talk much because I asked for the picture. I think he have not even answered me, or he just shake his head. And I was thinking, okay, maybe he doesn't know how to speak English. So later on, when we left the backstage, one of his guys came to ask for my friend's number. I was with another white lady, and she gave her number, but Patapaa never called. So 1 year later, another friend of mine from Germany, he's also a party organizer, he asked me how the performance from Patapaa was, because I have been to Belgium and I have seen him performing, and he really wants to book him. So, and his name is DJ Soa. So I said he's very, very good. He should really book him, that the stage performance is really fire. Then he said I should send him the videos I made on that day. I sent him the videos for him to promote his show. And Patapaa saw my video on his status and said that he really liked me. He have seen me in Belgium and that I'm living in Belgium. He would really like to see me when he's coming to Germany. And my friend said, no, the girl is living in Germany. It's like my sister. I really know her. And he said when he's coming to Germany, he really wants to see me. So then DJ Soa was really pressuring me, not telling me that Patapaa want to see me. But he said, Liha, Patapaa is coming. You have to come to the airport to pick him up with me. And at the hospital, I'm working 12 hours from morning till night. And he arrived, I think, around 10 in the evening. And I said, no, I cannot make it because I have to wake up 4 in the morning. So I will try and come to the show. He said, no, you really have to come before the show. I said, okay. Then I was talking with my friend. I say, I really don't know why the DJ is like pressuring me to go to his place to see him. Why not knowing is Patapaa giving my friend pressure? And yeah, then I went to my friend's place. Then I met Freebody, the manager of Patapaa, Patapaa himself, my friend, his brother, his wife, and the kids. I was so surprised. I was looking so messy that day. And Patapaa said, come and sit next to me. And I said, do you still remember me? I came to your show. He said, yes, it's because of me you are here. I was like, what? He said, yeah, your friend didn't tell you. I said, no. He said, I saw your video on his status and I was really happy because I have asked of your number and my friend came to ask for your friend's number. So that day in Belgium, he wanted to get my number, but the boy who came and asked for the number asked for my friend's number. So, yeah. After 1 year, we met each other again. And from that day, he have never leave me alone. I think the time he was in Germany, we were almost every day together till he left for Ghana. And when he went to Ghana, he was really like, no, you have to come to Ghana. You have to see how I live. You have to see Africa. You have to see Ghana. You have to meet my family. You have to see the culture. I really love you. I want to marry you. But yeah, the first step was to meet his family. Before you marry someone, you have to know the family you are marrying yourself into. So that's why the first time I came to Ghana, I met his family and to see how the life is over here and the culture and everything. Yeah.
Wow. Once again, congratulations. Let's make
you.
clap for Liha and Patapaa.